build an e-commerce Shopify chatbot using voice flow and make. We will start off with basics of bot building on voice flow, and we will look at a template that has multiple conversation flows or intents. These are buying products, having customer support that frequently asks questions, or people can actually create tickets and link them to Zendesk. Ideally, we will be using Google Sheets in this example. And we will also look at how customers can exchange or returns using the Google Sheets. We will also look at how to use sentiment analysis in our customer support. When the customer is feeling frustrated or a customer feeling sad, we acknowledge that. The conversation feels more natural, a bit running. Let's go back and test this once again. Would you like to talk to an agent? Yes, this would ideally be submit a ticket. May I have your email.com? Let's send it. And it says, great. Let's see whether for some reason it did not work. I had to go back to make and press run once and enter my email again in voice flow. And this time it worked. There we have it, money@gmail.com. Let's try again. Let's from here, not too far. money@kanasani.com. Now it's just let me test one last time. money@finaltest.com should be updated in real time. There you have it. And to show you how to integrate this published bot onto a Shopify store, we have Daniel from VoiceFlow.
I'm going to hit publish. And once this is done uploading, it's going to tell me to embed a snippet on my website. So let's go ahead and do this. And you can see that I can customize my chatbot down here with the logo in different colors. But what I really want is this body tag that we're going to go ahead and add to Shopify. So in Shopify, we're going to go to edit code, and we're going to go to our theme.liquid file. This is going to let you add the chatbot to any page of your website. We're going to write down to the body right before the body tag, paste in the script, and hit save. And that's it. So now when I go to preview store, you're going to see that it pops up here on the bottom right, and I can go ahead and interact with it. So I can say something like, hi, let's start the conversation. And now I'm going to ask it something like, what is your return policy? And what's really cool about VoiceFlow is that every time a user has a conversation with your assistant, it's actually saving a transcript. And so if I go back to my VoiceFlow project here and I go to transcripts, I can see here that this is a conversation I just had where I said, what's your return policy? Hi. And I can go ahead and hit mark reviewed, save for later, and maybe even tag a teammate to come and